Alright, let us start by looking at our first PHP tutorial. I'm sure you would have already gone through the tutorial on how to install XAMPP server to set up local host. That is something that is required in order to run PHP files on your system. Okay, so let me just go ahead and start XAMPP. I'll click on XAMPP control panel, and as you can see, Apache and MySQL is already started. If it is not started, you simply need to click on start, and for the time being you only need Apache and MySQL. You don't need FileZilla or Mercury or Tomcat, so you can safely ignore that. Now I'll close it. Okay, let us have a look at another slide. So what is PHP? Well, PHP is a programming language that can do all sorts of things, like evaluating form data sent from a browser. When you say, for example, fill a sign-up form on a social website, PHP can evaluate the form data that you are sending from your browser. It can build custom web content to serve the browser. It can talk to a database and retrieve information, or even send and receive cookies. That is more of an advanced thing which we will look at in future if you continue with coding in PHP. Now the PHP code is written inside this particular thing. It's a less than sign and then question mark PHP, and it ends with question mark greater than sign. So this is an example of PHP code. This is the wrapper. In a way it is known as wrapper. It's WRAPPER. So this is the PHP wrapper, and inside is the PHP code. It says echo hello PHP. Now if you see this in browser, it will simply say hello PHP. Let's actually go ahead and try this. So as I showed you earlier, that in order to use your PHP code and see it live in browser, you need to actually have it pasted inside your localhost directory, as we spoke about it in our setting up XAMPP server video. So I'll simply go ahead and paste my okay, I'll rename it, say index3.php, because index.php will already be there over there. I'll copy it, go to my C drive, XAMPP, then there is htdocs, and then paste it over here. Okay, so here it is, index3.php. Now let me go to browser and close all this. Let me go to localhost /index3.php, and here you can see hello. Now you can see hello because I have simply written hello in it. If I write hello world, then you can see hello world. Let me go ahead and edit this with Notepad. So as you can see, I have simply written hello. Let me write hello world and save it, and then let me go here and refresh, and it says hello world. So that was about introduction to PHP and your first web page written using PHP. Congratulations, you have already done that. Now hello world might look very simple, very straightforward, meaningless. In a way it is, but it gives you a bit of confidence that hey, anyone can write PHP code. It's not difficult, it's not rocket science. Stay tuned for more tutorials. Thank you for watching.